y'all, so today I'm going to be making some beet juice using canned beets. I don't like to eat them, but I want the benefits of it, so it's actually one of my favorite juices. If you are living or from the Houston area, there's a girl named Bully Rock Christina, and she used to run a raw food cooperative, and she had this beet juice. I don't know what it was, but it was so good, and that's the first time I had it. So I'm gonna attempt to do this myself. I think beets are one of the prettiest. They're a vegetable, right? They're one of the prettiest, just God-made things. The color is so rich, but I'm not a fan of them. I like beet chips. Beet chips are pretty good. Yeah, I'm doing this because it has so many benefits. Drink beet juice. It can lower your blood pressure or help, level it out. Good for men, testosterone. Good for your testosterone. It's good for your sex drive. What else? It helps immunity. It helps with immunity, skin, complexion, all of that. It's just good. As beautiful as, look how rich that color is. This is just beets and water. So don't get anything with salt in or anything. You don't want that. I'm winging this. Like I told you, it's the first time I've done it. I had some leftover orange juice from Costco, so that it cannot taste like beets. And pardon me, for those of you who love these things, more power to you. I just haven't had it the right way. These are not mangoes, pineapple chunks from Costco as well. I like getting bulk fruit at Costco because it's so cheap. It's organic and it's cheap. Let's put a little bit in there. And they're so sweet. So it's gonna give it a nice flavor. And I like the juices to be pretty, so I don't add anything in there that's gonna complicate the color. And this is just a little lemon juice. Kind of like lemonade, right? I should have put a lemon in there. Let me get a lemon. Give me a second. Yeah, let's put this guy in there. And you can just put the whole thing. I have 2 buckets full of lemons that my parents gave me. Their neighbor's tree produces the most delicious lemons. Like, my kids eat them just like that. Like, they peel them and eat them like they're orange. They're so juicy. I don't know what kind of lemons they are, but yeah. Anyways, just throw the whole lemon in there. You don't have to take the seeds out or anything. If you have a good blender. I should say that. I'm just gonna split it. I have Vitamix. Best investment I've ever made in my life, and they back their product 100%. Yeah. And this is just some water, so pour that in there and pour the rest of this out. Okay, let's see how this goes. And I will be honest about how it tastes. I promise. I'm not getting paid for this or anything, so. And even if I was, I'm still gonna give my honest opinion. All right, I'm just gonna put it on a smoothie. Let's see. Hopefully my baby doesn't like that. So it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I don't think I'm gonna strain it at first. So let's just opinion. All right, let's see. I still taste beets, but it's like, it's not just beets that I taste. Like, I taste everything I put in there. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. I could drink it. Especially, oh, it boosts your energy, so yeah. Doesn't smell disgusting, but it is beety. I bet it wouldn't be so bad if I put more orange juice in it. I'm gonna try to put more lemons in it and see what happens. Peel these lemons. Oh. So good. Oh man, it's strong. It smells good. Yeah, I think this is gonna help it a lot. It's hot pink. It's actually like a fuchsia color. It's so pretty. It's like 1 lemon per person who's gonna be drinking it anyway. It's gonna be my husband, me, the baby, Elliot and Ami, the babies. So 4 lemons. I put 4 lemons, a full can of beets, and probably like the other can, there was probably like 2 ounces of beets in there, plus the juice. I'm peeling it over the blender because it's dripping. They're so juicy. Alrighty. Okay. This is gonna overflow probably, so I'm gonna have to be very careful. I'm gonna read to you what else beets do. That's the beet powder. Okay, here we go. Power beets. Promotes improved natural energy, improves stamina, supports healthy blood pressure levels, and helps with healthy blood circulation. Good, so it's good for your heart. And what is this? This is something I got from Sam's Club. Sam's Club and Costco, by the way, are the place to get supplements. I've never had a VitaCost membership or anything like that, but I do know they sell some pretty good stuff, which we typically get all of our groceries at those warehouses, and any specialty items at HEYY, which is I don't know if that's everywhere, but it's in Texas. Okay, so bear with me. Let's see. Let's see how that works. Hey, Ami, bye-bye.
I said happy birthday too.
Huh? You can sing happy birthday in a second, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye. I'll be in there in a second.
Happy birthday.
Carefully. Okay. Still beety, but better. Kind of tastes like a Beet Lemonade. It's not bad. It's like I feel the energy. I feel the cleanness of it, like going through my body, surging. How pretty. It looks like my roses outside, the color of it. Alright, so if you want to try this at home, can of beets and water and orange juice or whatever you have, just get the goodness in you. I would suggest more orange juice or oranges if you have it, but I like it. Not bad. See if my kids will drink it. Alright, so it wasn't hard to do. It literally took a couple minutes to put it together. And it's literally, I needed some energy, and caffeine, unless it's natural caffeine like matcha or something, my body responds very, very well to that, but I can't really afford it right now, so. This is good. This is good. Carrot juice also makes me really awake and lively. Alright, y'all. Put this in the pudding. And if you don't like it, drink it anyway. Like, let nature be your medicine. If we can take these drugs and stuff that, have side effects and things like that, how come give nature a try? Try things like this, natural juices, and see what happens. You may not like it at first, I don't know. I'm used to eating really healthy, but I did have to change, my taste buds had to change and acclimate to the new foods that I was eating. So just get started. You don't have to drink this much. Start in a little cup, like this. This is it's probably like 5 ounces or something. I don't know, but a little cup like that can make a big difference. So just get started somewhere. I am living proof. I've never made beet juice before. I juice all the time with my Vitamix, and I'll strain it. This time I'm not. It's really good as a smoothie. But start somewhere. Just get up. Stop. We have to get out of this lethargic, couch potato-y, I'm tired all the time type mentality, and get up and get at it. I made this because I didn't want to clean up. I didn't feel like it. Was like, oh my God, I have so much to do. I have laundry that's everywhere. I have 2 kids who are potty training, and I just have a ton of laundry to do. It's Christmas time. I still have some boxes that I haven't finished decorating yet. I just made a birthday cake for my son. It's stuff everywhere. But I stopped and I said, you know what? I need to get up and I need to get at it, because no one's gonna do it for me. No one's gonna make me wake up or anything like that. And I'm just gonna continue feeling like crap. So I already feel better, literally just from the little bit that I drank. So, do things like that. And it's cheap. It's cheap. A can of beets is $1 or less. So when people say, I can't afford juicing. That used to be me, by the way. I'm like, man, I can't afford juicing. I don't have a juicer. Started using my Vitamix. When I didn't have my Vitamix, I used my cheap blender that I had until it broke, which is why I got the Vitamix. But yeah, when there's a will, there's a way. Carrots. I get a full bulk of carrots for like $3. Right under $4 at Sam's Club or Costco or even HEYY, wherever. And I blend it with water. Like, come on, you guys. Like, let's get healthy. Like, let's get up and let's start living our purpose. Come on, moms. I know you're tired. I have a baby still. He's 8 months old. He's just turned 9 months old. So I understand. I trust me, I get it. But we got to get past that mindset of, I'm just too tired. I'm just too through. It's just too late. I just don't want to. And just do it. Just do it. Alright, I'm about to go clean up. Subscribe to my channel. I do mommy life content, cleaning, and lifestyle on this channel. And if you need encouragement, I hope that I can provide that for you. This is some great juice. I hope you try it. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up below. Comment if you have any questions or suggestions, or if there's a video that you want to see, you want to watch me make something else for the first time and try it and let you know how it is. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. Bye. It's getting better and better. I could do this.